Hello students, a warm welcome to all. This is the third video related to the first chapter, Reproduction in Organisms. Though many reference books are flooded in the market for neat preparations, these questions are set mainly based on NCERT book. So, these questions are solely confined to NCERT book. Hope it will be much useful to you. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for more videos. Now let us move on to the questions. The first question is, sponges reproduce through option number 1 buds. Hydra reproduces through buds. Option number 2 gemmules. Sponges reproduce through gemmules. So option number 2 is correct. Third one is conidia. Penicillium reproduce through conidia. Binary fission. Amoeba and paramecium reproduce through binary fission. The next question is, which of the following is true of Hydra? Option number 1, it produces asexual gemmules. This is wrong, as gemmules are the vegetative propagules of sponges. Option number 2, it reproduces unisexual bud. This is also not correct. Option number 3, it produces multicellular bud. Because Hydra is a multicellular organism, so it produces only multicellular bud. So option 3 is correct. Option number 4, it produces zoospores. Zoospores are the vegetative propagules of Chlamydomonas. Let us move on to the next question. Name the vegetative propagule of agave. As we have already studied, the plant agave propagates through bulbils. So the answer is bulbil. The next question is a matching one. Here, a few organisms and their vegetative propagules are given. The first one is Bryophyllum. Bryophyllum reproduces through leaf buds. So the option is leaf buds. Second one is grasses. Grasses, they reproduce through vegetative propagules called runner. So runner is the answer. Third one is water hyacinth. Water hyacinth reproduces through offsets. So the answer is offset. Fourth one is Chlamydomonas. As we all know pretty well that it reproduces through zoospores. So the answer is zoospores. The next question is, what referred to as the terror of Bengal? The aquatic plant called water hyacinth is referred to as terror of Bengal. It grows in standing water and drains oxygen from water. This leads to the death of fishes. Actually, it is not a native of India. It was introduced in India because of its beautiful flowers and shape of leaves. So the answer is water hyacinth. Next question. Which is the vegetative propagule in ginger? Option 1, runner. Runner is the vegetative propagule of grasses. Option number 2, conidia. Conidia are the vegetative propagules of penicillium. Option number 3, rhizome. Rhizome is the vegetative propagule of ginger. So this is the correct answer. And the fourth one, zoospore, is the vegetative propagule of Chlamydomonas. Now, the next question, is an identification question. Identify the reproductive structures and the name of the organism from which they are released. First of all, we need to identify the organism, then we need to identify its reproductive structures. The organism is Chlamydomonas and its reproductive structures are zoospores. So according to the question, first we need to write the name of its reproductive structures and then the name of the organism. So the answer is zoospores and Chlamydomonas. The next question is, which of the following is true of yeast? Option number 1, the cell divides by binary fission. One of them develops into a bud. Option number 2, the cell divides unequally. The smaller cell develops into a bud. Third one is the cell produced conidia which develops into a bud. Fourth one is none. In yeast, the division is unequal and small buds are produced. They remain attached to the parent. Finally, they get separated and mature into new yeast. So here, the option number 2 is correct, as it says that the cell divides unequally and the smaller cell develops into a bud. Next question, which of the following statements is true of ginger? Option number 1, germinating bud appears from the eye of the stem tuber. Actually, germinating bud appears from the eye of the stem tuber of potato. So, it's not a correct answer. Option number 2, germinating bud appears from the node of the rhizome. Rhizomes are the vegetative propagules of ginger. So option number 2 is the correct answer. Option number 3, germinating bud appears from the notch of the leaf margin. Germinating bud appears from the notch of the leaf margin of bryophyllum plants. Fourth option is, germinating bud appears from the bud of the conidia. Conidia are the vegetative propagules of penicillium. Let us move on to the next question. Name the mode of reproduction that ensues the creation of new variants. In the case of sexual reproduction, offsprings are not identical to the parent or amongst themselves. So, sexual reproduction ensues the creation of new variants. So, the answer for this question is sexual reproduction. Let us meet ourselves in the next video of this series. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you will keep on getting more and more videos in the days to come. Thank you. Click the link in the description and take the test.